What's up, guys? So, got the wiring harness in the mail. My favorite part about it, it has some keys. Pretty cool. But yeah, got the whole new wiring harness. Got the motor back in the bike. Not very well, but it's in there. Got to try and start it up today. Let's see how this goes. What's this? What's wrong? Oh, turn it off. It's about that time.
Hell yeah. Alright.
This is just making sure the motor actually works. Got that wiring harness in there, dude.
1, 2, 3, start.
Back up, Liam. Hold that gas tank because it could vibrate and fall off. Somebody's gonna have to control throttle too. Liam, want to try and record for us so we can?
We don't have any throttle.
There we go. Right there is perfect.
We don't have any throttle.
Just keep it right there.
We don't even have any throttle.
Switch is on. Everything.
You can't.
Yeah,
you gotta hold the choke.
Want me to hold it?
It's gonna be loud.
Ready? Ready when you are. You know how to get it connection.
Ooh, what the fuck was that? Should we try again?
Yeah. Try it again. Starter.
I feel like it's not getting.
See, it doesn't have fuel yet. Like,
Spray some shit into the intake.
I smell it. But that could be the gas tank on the boat.
shit.
It's leaking.
That's the water. You gotta. Oh, that's not good.
That's coming out of the exhaust.
Leland, what are you
Could be
doing?
when I sprayed it. Maybe.
Move it around.
Could be. Let's see if she's got spark. Let's take that old spark plug. Pop that.
Where's the spark plug tester at? Is that still sitting on
No.
there?
Just pop that cap off. You can take that one out. It'll reduce the compression on it, and it'll turn over faster, and we'll see if we have spark. But I'm just saying you could plug this into that coil and see if we're getting any spark out of this.
Plug that back in.
No, plug that in.
Here.
It's right here.
No, just hold it. Tip your finger there on it.
Will it shock me?
Well, if it works, it might.
Well, I don't want to touch it.
Well,
stick it up against the
Don't put it up there. Yeah, go closer to the motor. Like ground it on the motor a little bit.
Like that?
Yep, just like that.
It's not gonna shock me, is it?
Nope. Oh, she got plenty of spark. She got plenty of spark.
So take this out.
Yeah. She's not getting her fuel yet.
Spray some shit into the intake.
And or the piston could be no good. Now it sounds like your starter's about bad too. Here, hold that for a second. It feels like there's barely anything in there.
Ready? He didn't put a lot.
Yep.
Oh yeah.
Ready? Yep.
Woo! Here, hold this.
Well, it runs. Is that recording?
I hope so.
Yep. Nice, dude.
Alright, go again.
She's not getting the fuel. You might need a new carburetor.
Sounds a little different now. Now that it actually fired over.
Yeah. Don't do that yet. She's not getting enough fuel.
Flooded it.
I see it leaking. See if I'm back here, it's leaking.
Oh, the carb is dumping. Yeah, the carb is it's toast.
Could be the O-ring maybe?
No, it's coming out the overflow. This is dumping fuel
No,
into it
no,
right
no,
now.
no, no.
Turn that off,
Pull
please.
that carburetor off.
Yeah, that carburetor is.
We got another one? No.
Yes and no. Probably not going to take it off until I get a new one. But yeah, you could put a big different carburetor. The carburetor on the Earth Dog would fit over here. Hey, guess what? We heard it fire up. You know what
Yeah.
that means? The motor kind of runs.
Mm-hmm.
So, there you go.